Chin-chin. Na, today, mag-present kami sa Pilipino. Ano yung present natin? Basta, ay chin-chin. Gaan lang. Ako ang artista dito. Eh. Mag-present kami, umaya sa Pilipino. Sayawin, hindi yung sayo. Showcase of talent. Ay, iba naman. Sila sa naman. Ay, nako. Yan pa.
Mario del Valle.
Hello!
Hey now.
Kaya lang kayo, ano ba?
All the sinners.
Hi!
Joke! Hindi klaro yun.
Eh, Mansi, no?
Yoy!
Hi, sir.
You know, I'm one person who loves to experiment, really. And so tonight, I'd like to do a different kind of number for you. To be done by one of the youngest, well, actually the youngest member in the Genesis clan of artists. You know, many times when we come out here, we've been, talking about shout and everything and all that. But I wanted to change the mood a bit by making something really simple for all of you. And hopefully, it would bring back a lot of good old childhood memories. Would you like that? Yeah, I'm sure you would. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming Sir Duncan Ramos.
Bahay, kubo, kahit munti ang halaman doon ay sari-sari, singkamas at talong, sigarilyas at mani, sitaw, bataw, patani. Bahay, kubo, kahit mundi ang halaman noon ay sari-sari, singkamas at talong, sigarilyas at mani, sitaw, bataw, patani.
Bakit ba mapaglaro ang buhay? Problema sa kwat at babae at kung ano-ano pa. Di naman ito maiiwasan. Bakit ba nagkaganto? Ako ngayon'y litong-lito. Nawawala, bumabalik. Ito na naman. Bigla na lang matuloy.
Bahay, kubo, kahit munti, ulit-ulit
Ladies and gentlemen, Duncan Ramos! Ibang klase talaga, ano? Wow.